If you want to block mobile data for specific apps on a Motorola Moto G56, then in that case we need to download a third-party app that allows us to block the mobile data usage. So in this case we're gonna go to the Play Store and let's go to search. In my case I'm gonna use the NetGuard app, which is an example app that does exactly what I just told. So we can block the access to mobile data for specific apps. Feel free to find and try any other app. I'm just showing you how, generally speaking, it works. I'm gonna also show you how to set up this app as well, so that you don't have any issues with it. So once you press OK, the first thing that we need to do is tap on this switcher so that we can enable the app. Over here we have connection required, so let's press OK. And then once again, in the app battery usage, we should find the NetGuard app. So let's keep scrolling. There we go. Let's open it. Now over here tap on allow background usage and make sure that it is set to unrestricted. Now we're gonna go back. Next we can tap OK over here and tap on this red text in order to grant notification permissions for the app. Over here we can keep tapping on OK as well. And now the app is pretty much set up in general. Now in order to block the mobile data for a specific app, all you have to do is simply tap on this triangle icon that we have on the right side. So if I, let's say, disable mobile data for this app, if I tap on this icon, then I will block the mobile data access for this app, this Chrome browser. Now, as a tooltip, I can also mention that if you go to these three dots in the top right corner, you should be able to find settings. And then in here we have default, where we can by default block mobile data, so that even if you install new apps, or, well, it will also be changed for existing ones. But generally speaking, by default, mobile data will be blocked by all apps, so you can only use the internet if you have access to Wi-Fi, if we're talking about these apps over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.